Again, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, and that is a 16 by 20 inch dry canvas. And this is my Venetian blue from Modern Masters. This is my purple flash from Deco-Art color shifting, and this is a 24 karat gold from Deco-Art Americana. And I think I'm going to start with the gold. Now I've been making lines as if I were doing something I used to do, which is putting down paint right before I prime a canvas. And I'm not sure, but I'm definitely learning every time new ways to do this. And I'm just making lines. I thought I was going to avoid the turquoise color shift from Deco-Art, but I don't think I am. Now one of these times I'm just going to decide to save one of these, because that would be cool, I think. Now if I stopped a little short, that might be really good too, because then I can add more as I go along, which might be an idea whose time has come. So I'm just going to grab an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, and I'm going to pretend that I've just squeezed this all over with maybe my black before priming. And so what I do is I go ahead and then I pull the paint across, and that's a spatula swipe. And then I usually pull it across more than once, but in this case I just want to save my paint, and it's coming off pretty nicely, with the exception of having dragged that little bit. And I'm going to just do it again and try and live with that. I can go from here to here. I'm loving those cells. I really, really am. Now, I'm not sure what point I want to stop. I could stop any time, because the truth is that I use GAC 800 by Golden to make sure that my paint doesn't crack if I leave it thick. I could also do other things, which occurs to me, like use the basting brush again, or some chain, or a smaller spatula, or go in a different direction. It's sort of like making plaid, I think, a little bit. Trying to train myself to get used to the idea of using what I've got and doing slightly different things with it, like that. Or maybe do that again down there. I am liking quite a few things about that, but it does make me want to grab a little bit more of a few colors, which I will try harder to do next time. Look how pretty the dish is. If the painting were that nice, we'd be all set. I'm still having a good time, and I could still use gold. Which reminds me, I'm trying to observe what I'm actually doing, the results I'm getting, and then adding colors again. Because these are great colors crossing over each other. I'm steal a little paint and just go down and over, depending on what color I've got on my blade. And that's crooked, so I'm going to do something about it this time, I think. Just looking for places that I can make additions, it will be an improvement. And I kind of like that. I'm good with it. If I stop now, I might not be unhappy later. I've got some little puddles, but like I said, I've used the GAC 800. I've also got this dish of colors, which means I could dip in and use some of those a few places, and I can actually see what colors I can pick with my spatula. So a few of those won't hurt anything, I don't think. A few little spots. It's kind of exciting, actually. I know I'm easy to please sometimes. Alright, so what else? So that's about it, really, unless I think of something else I want to do. I'm just going to torch, and I torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. You can find my paint pouring recipe and the way I mix my paints below the video, underneath the description. Underneath the word description. Underneath the video, you can find my Teespring clothing, which is all over print leggings and t-shirts. And you can also find the Teespring link, which has all of my other links on it. I kind of want to put some turquoise over there. I don't know why, but you know what? I'm here now, so why don't I just do that? Just going to grab enough. That makes me want to put some blue in the other turquoise. So neither of those things actually bothered me much. I don't mind these strange little round shapes. They interrupt things just perfectly, in my opinion. They abstract it, so it's not too hard and fast. So I love you guys. There's 87,000 of you. I have a crib sheet. Thank you very much for the thumbs up. Watching my videos longer. Sharing my videos is helpful. I don't even mind that drag mark in there. It kind of was a good thing. The cells are beautiful. Perfectly random. So look for Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group if you're a student and you want to join someplace where there are other people who are still experimenting all the time with things and sharing their experiments. And there's a group challenge lately, so that changes once a month to either a color or a technique. We have pixels.com and Fine Art America that are both available through the Shop Now button on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Totes and More on Facebook. And if you're looking for tomorrow's video, go to my YouTube channel and look at the community board to see what's available, or Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. I do sell my artwork. I do give classes at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and you can find my email address underneath the Linktree link. And also under the Linktree you can find Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, as well as my Google business site and my website, should you happen to be interested in cruising that. So, strange little shapes, but they make it very organic, and the colors are just exactly what I wanted. And now I've got extra paint, and I'm going to cover that up, go find myself a small canvas, and see if I can get lucky making something pretty. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, reminding you I have over 1,450 videos, and should you be interested in finding them, you'll be interested to know that they are organized by genre and by the 100 in playlists. So easy to navigate and easy to notice what you've done. What else? I don't think there's anything else other than I love you guys dearly, and there's 87,000 of you subscribed, and I hope to see you again soon. Binge watch if you feel like it. I love this. I really love it. It's kind of simple, but I recommend playing with the idea. It's a good idea. I like it. It's my idea. I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.